There are foods that should be avoided at night because they can cause problems in the quality of rest, metabolism and digestion. The recommendation is that after 7 o'clock at night you abstain from some foods, since it is the time when the metabolism works slower. It is the closest to go to sleep and the body begins to spend less energy. If you can, restrict these foods. But before we start, remember that if you like this kind of video, you can hit the like button and leave a nice comment below. 1. Mushrooms. Although they are vegetables with few calories, they contain dietary fiber and properties that are difficult to digest, such as chitin. Therefore, it is among the foods that can be avoided at night, especially for those who have stomach problems. 2. Lettuce. It is a vegetable with a large amount of water and few carbohydrates. Although it is recognized for its benefits to combat insomnia, it should be consumed hours before bedtime because it causes intestinal inflammation, gas and belching. 3. Celery. This vegetable is a natural diuretic, which can cause your desire to go to the bathroom to increase, which can disrupt sleep and make your rest of lower quality, says nutritionist Rebecca Flores. 4. Cheeses. Sylvia Cruce Munoz, professor of gastroenterology and pediatric nutrition at the University of Chile, suggests a very careful consumption due to the high content of animal fat, as well as its high caloric intake. People with cholesterol problems should eliminate them from their nightly menu. 5. Coffee. It is catalogued as one of the stimulant drinks of the nervous system due to its caffeine, which causes insomnia because it blocks adenosine, a receptor that has a sedative effect, generating a sense of alertness and increased energy, as explained in the article What Caffeine Actually Does to Your Brain. Remember that from 7 o'clock at night the body begins to prepare to rest, and when it comes to food, genetics is key in the assimilation and utilization of nutrients. What foods do you usually consume after this time? Thanks for watching.